Okay, so it was about, again, I've got to remember to look over here. Hello, welcome to episode 2. So about 3 weeks ago, I recorded the first video, episode 1, in which I explained that, among other things, my goal is to reach 100,000 US dollars in annual recurring revenue with the next couple of projects that I'm launching. And I'm happy to say that today I'm launching the first of the Mojo SaaS suite of SaaS products. I don't know if it's going to be a suite or if it's just going to be a couple or if it's just going to be one or what, but this is all kind of just playing out in real time, by the way. There's no, kind of concrete, playbook that I'm following here. This is all just kind of happening as you're watching it. The first product in the product offering, let's just call it that, is Vote Mojo. And yes, all of the products that I'm launching will have to have the word Mojo in them, which is quite restricting when it comes to finding available .com domains. Vote Mojo is one of those things that I wish that I had the first time around when I was doing the kind of 12 startups in 12 months challenge. And it's a really simple way of getting in touch with your customers and finding out what is important to them. In simple terms, it is a voting board that you can put on your website or integrate into your app, and it allows your users or your customers to sign up, post things that they want to see from you. So it could be feature ideas, it could be content ideas, etc. And then it allows them to upvote, not only their suggestions, but other people's suggestions as well. So what you as the entrepreneur or you as the business end up with is kind of like a prioritized list of things that your customers want. And you might find that, as I have, that what you think your customers want and what your customers are actually asking for are two completely different things. So this is really interesting. If anything, just use Vote Mojo for the free trial, 14 days, and you might be surprised at the results in terms of the dissonance between what your gut is telling you your customers want and what your actual customers want. In terms of product strategy and aligning to the kind of criteria that I set out for myself, I think this fits the bill in terms of that last criteria was something niche that solves a specific problem. The specific problem that this is solving is I don't know what my customers want. So businesses or entrepreneurs with that problem can use Vote Mojo to solve it. Very clear-cut problem and solution. So I wanted to be able to dog food my own software. So the first thing that I'm launching is a voting board. Really simple way to understand what your customers want. Really simple way to interact with your customers. I'm going to be using that in several different places actually. So of course I'm using it on the Vote Mojo website itself. So if you click demo on the Vote Mojo website, you'll see a demonstration board, but that board I'm actually going to be using as feature suggestions for Vote Mojo. I'm also using the Vote Mojo platform on Mojo SaaS, so I'll be using it. If you have any ideas of content or of products that you'd like me to build, you can post them on the mojosas.com ideas board. I'll put that at mojosas.com/ideas. And I'm also using Vote Mojo on fareastketo.com, which is a keto blog that I run. And it's just getting started. It's just a way for me. I'm going off on a bit of a tangent right now, but I've been doing keto for a year, and I thought it was a good idea to put some of the learnings and stuff down on the web somewhere. So I started fareastketo.com, which is a keto community kind of blog website. And on fareastketo.com, there is a Vote Mojo board where you can vote for the topics that you would like me to write about. And interestingly, I've already experienced that sort of sometimes sort of misaligned relationship between what you think people want and what people actually want. I thought people would want sort of recipes and things like that. But actually it turns out, according to my voting board on fareastketo.com/suggestions, according to that, it turns out that one of the things that people are most interested in is the cost of keto, which is something I hadn't even thought about writing about. So there's the benefit of having some sort of way of getting prioritized customer feedback or user feedback from real people instead of just yourself, the entrepreneur. Is you'll discover things that you never knew people wanted, that never knew that your users wanted. So that is product number 1 of mojosas.com. Hopefully you'll start to see those revenue numbers grow now. If you want to keep track of how my revenue goals are going, then please subscribe to the mailing list. And remember, if you have any suggestions of what you'd like to see me talk about or write about on mojosas.com, go to mojosas.com/ideas. And if you have any specific ideas for VoteMojo, then go to votemojo.com/demo. I'm very happy to hear any of your feedback. Getting customer feedback, user feedback, that is the only way that I will make this a success. So it's really, really important. All right, thank you very much, guys, and I'll see you next time.